Hey, this is for Braun Industries. We're selling this nice pink Magna bike, and it is in good condition. We'll be selling it on June 11th, 2010. It's a very nice bike. It's got, let's see, new reflectors right there, and it's also got, let's see here, it's a nice reflector back there. You probably can't see it. It's really dark in here. Yeah, that's just about it. So, if you're interested in buying, email me.
Oh, don't,
Buy.
And
Wait, what?
also the brakes.
The front brake is broken, but the back brake
and
is
also
pretty good. It's
one
strong
of
metal.
the gears is also broken.
Which one is it? That? Oh yeah, the shifter is cracked off. Cause someone,
It was already broken.
Oh sure. Okay, so please buy this bike. And other than
that,
two problems, it's a great bike and it's really fast. Okay, bye.